I'm intrigued about what inspires people. So I went out and asked, what inspires you about animals?
My pet. My pet was a dog, and it looked like a hog, but it was not a hot dog.
Dogs? I think I like dogs so much because they like me so much.
You know, animals just make me aware that, you know, it's a big planet.
They give you a sense of happiness.
Look at him. He's a good-looking guy.
And what amazed me was the more I asked the question of friends in their backyard farms and talking about their pets, was how much people have to say about animals. A friend has beehives because they inspire him. I went to the county fair, Spruce Ridge Farm, equine advocates. Farms started because of being inspired by animals.
These are the dogs, the shelter dogs. They're the ones that really inspire me because they're the survivors.
What inspires me, they're so loving and they're so non-critical.
Unconditional love. Unconditional love.
How subtle their emotions are.
Most of them are really good dogs. There's a few bad apples. He's obviously not one of them.
Sit.
Right. That was a good one.
What inspires you about animals?
At one with the earth, and the flora and the fauna.
That in the wild they must be like that, you know, communing with each other and devoted to each other and funny and
Aloof.
Every horse that you're next to, you're in love with at that point.
He really, really is kind.
Yeah. And he's a pretty tough act to follow.
Does he inspire you?
Yeah, he does.
So how do animals make you feel?
Sometimes mad, sometimes sad, sometimes happy.
She makes you happy to come home. She's just like,
What makes me sad sometimes is when they die. But that's not their fault.
Anything that had been done wrong to them, and you're still able to love them and give them affection.
That little alpaca crias running around, it makes you feel good.
He's my best friend.
It's like pit, pussycat, bull.
Just because we can build a car doesn't mean that we're better than the animals.
To steward and do what I can.
It's just about doing the right thing, really. That inspires me.
Doing the right thing, and I think for humans we could learn a good lesson from that.
Look at them. Oh, look at them. What good fun.
He's learning.
If they figured it out, it's easier to get in from that end. The shortcut. So Etta she basically just went in. There she goes. There she goes.